tradition of the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing, University of Mostar, dates back more than half a century. I was always interested in technical professions. The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering is very perspective, so it was a logic choice. The reason is my devotion to the engineering. I've decided for mechanical engineering and I have no regrets about my choice to enroll for this faculty. The establishment of Higher Technical School of Mechanical Engineering in 1959 is one of the most important parts from the history of the faculty. This school was opened for its first students on November 21st of the same year. There were 56 of them, and 4 years later, there was a first generation of graduated mechanical engineers educated in Mostar. The school has experienced various transformations. During 1975, it was reorganized to become the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, and in 1976, it became an independent higher education institution within the University of Mostar. Following global trends in growth and development of the economy and labor market needs, the faculty turned a new page in its history in academic year 2002-2003, initiating a study of computing and changed its name to the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing. In 2016, the faculty initiated a long-awaited study of electrical engineering with the fields of study in energetics and system management and automation. At this faculty, students are educated through 3 study programs: mechanical engineering, computing, and as of this academic year, electrical engineering. Mechanical engineering and computing are conducted through 3 educational cycles: undergraduate, graduate, and postgraduate, an example, PhD. In the context of the Bologna process at the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing, one can study mechanical engineering in the following fields: production engineering, construction design, industrial engineering and management, mechatronics and safety at work, and computing within the software engineering or computer networks. Professional titles and academic degrees that students receive after completing 3 years of study are the Bachelor of Engineering, Computer Science or Electrical Engineering, or after the end of 5 years, Master of Engineering, Computer Science or Electrical Engineering with a diploma supplement in English. The faculty also offers PhD programs in the field of mechanical engineering and as of this academic year, PhD program in computing. The quality of classes is excellent. We have study visits accompanied by theoretic part and practical training. Most of our lecturers have a long-time experience of about 30 years. They also do a great job on passing their knowledge to the students, which can be very helpful in the future for our careers. In the library of the faculty, we can find a lot of quality literature which is being used for our lectures. Students acquire professional knowledge and competence and are qualified to work in a wide range of fields of mechanical engineering or computer science. The first electrical engineers are expected to graduate soon. Many of them are already actively participating in the most advanced and most widespread fields of today's technologically dependent world. The activity of these professionals requires their education to meet high standards. Since 2013, Professor Željko Stojkić is the Dean of the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing, and he cares for the systematic development and progress of the faculty. In the future, I see this faculty as one of the leading technical faculties in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Of course, the same can be achieved neither easily nor quickly. We live in an age when technical areas studied at the faculty are experiencing rapid development. In order to successfully follow the speed of today's development, to respond and to adapt to future technological challenges, we must have the quality education. Therefore, inevitable mainstreams of the future activities at the faculty are continuous innovation of the teaching content and improvement of the teaching process, the launch of new study programs, stronger cooperation with business sector through the projects and education programs, the intensification of work and the participation of staff and students of the faculty in international projects. Of course, a measure of the quality of our work is the success of our students in the labor market. One thing that should be pointed out is that through the Business Council of the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing, this faculty is connected with the economic sector. The goal of this council is to maintain a close relationship with the economic sector and listen to the needs of the labor market, and in accordance with that, better prepare students for their future jobs. Additionally, the faculty as a center of knowledge is also there to assist in the development of the economic sector with its expertise and contribution through the numerous international experience and scientific research. Through this council, the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing provides its students with the opportunity for future work. All sectors of the economy and social activities cannot be imagined without the use of various machinery and devices. Through the teaching process, students learn and perform exercises on the most sophisticated devices using the new technologies in order to be ready, better trained, and better qualified for the labor market. The classrooms and practice rooms are well equipped with the necessary tools, computers and related equipment, machines and tools. CAM Center on the faculty offers instruction and support in the area of application of modern computer technologies in product development. The center is also able to perform the tasks of developing new products and the actual production of prototypes or models of products on the professional 3D color printer. For many years, students on this faculty have been using the distance learning classroom via video link, where students attend lectures by professors and experts from around the world. The library and the reading room on the faculty are well equipped with the necessary literature. Every 2 years, the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing issues conference proceedings which contain scientific papers of the professors and associates as well as profession-connected papers. Last conference proceedings have been recently issued, and as well as previous conference proceedings can be seen and read in the library of the faculty.
Trenutno imamo projekt Lotrić.
At the moment, we are working at the Lotrić project. The plan is, after the area adaptation, to purchase measure equipment, which is very important for our research. Also, there is a project, GIZ Berdiz, through which the students and teachers are to be trained for the software program ANSYS and pipe stress. In addition, there is GIZ Hyundai project for the researchers in the field of vehicle engines. The expertise and knowledge of students of the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing are widely known, and this can be proven by many first places won at various competitions in Bosnia and Herzegovina and the region. Within the faculty, there is also a student council. Through practical training, students participate in various projects, such as the Formula Student Project. With the help of the teachers, students construct, manufacture and test a real racing car for Formula. The aim of the Formula project is that students present their work at international competitions. It is important to emphasize that at this contest, the highest rated factors are endurance, speed and design. The process of building the racing car requires a lot of sacrifice and sleepless nights, but all for the purpose of the development of young and high-quality engineers. The teamwork and the love towards this job bond a lot of students working on this project. This project is our way of presenting the prospects and the potentials of Bosnia and Herzegovina. FSR Cup is a student competition in the application of new technologies. With the help of professors, students are constructing real robotic toy cars which are then racing on the track. Their movement, completely independent, is managed by the programmed microchip with no human control. Robotic toy cars on track are left to themselves. The first number of the Students' magazine with the symbolic name Robot will be issued on the 55th anniversary of the faculty. We took some time to decide upon the name of the magazine. Finally, we concluded that the most suitable name would be Robot, because it integrates both of our professions, mechanical engineering and computing. In our magazine, one can find interesting content closely connected to our profession, faculty, university, etc. The faculty records numerous successes in the field of international cooperation with many universities, institutions, and companies. Some of the results of these cooperations are purchasing modern equipment and professional literature, months-long professional stays abroad, grants for vocational training, scholarships for students, postgraduates, and doctoral candidates. Students are especially interested in international student exchange based on paid practice. Through the student exchange programs, the students are gaining experience which differs them from their colleagues in the employment process. In the framework of international cooperation, the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing, in collaboration with DAAAM, International Vienna, International Network of Scientific, Academic and Industrial Cooperation in Vienna, has established the form of an international conference, UPS, Management of Production and Business Systems. The goal of this project is to organize regular international scientific conferences for scientists and experts from the industry where they would present their scientific and technical achievements, exchange experiences and information, and establish possible cooperations. To conclude, we would like to extract 5 reasons for choosing the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing among others. Cooperation with successful companies within and outside the region. Work with the latest technologies, mobility of the students and professors, motivated and qualified professors, demand for quality professionals in technical disciplines. As far as the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Computing is concerned, I can say that both the teachers and the quality of lectures are excellent. Mechanical engineering is the most promising profession. Personally, I think everything here is great, lecturers and the company, and I would like to invite young people to join this faculty.